Minista wa uthukumi Dr. Alfred Mutua weta ni wasamwanya wa kunenga mukamba mwelekeo ula wailite kuatia kukonya utongoi na uteti OU na mbe wa uteti kita wa usumbi kwena na Mutua nzia ila mutongo wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka nete kutembela kuisilangwata niyo na enende magema ye na utethio kana ye na utethio kwa mukamba kimaendeleo atio ye na kielelo cha kuingia mukamba nza wa serikali na uteti wa ulei miaka ingita to yukite. Benjamin Mwaka tueleze.
Gavana wa tene wa kaunti ya Masaku Nolo Uni Minister Muvyano uthukumi Dr. Alfred Mutua ni withuene ngie mwana na etangaza ta munene wa mbaya mukamba ni kulyo thila akamba maile kwikulia muno OU itino onene agakwi umuthi kwa mbaye kukonya muungamo wake uteti uthukumi na maendeleo mele mbetathi OU na mbe uteti ukito wasumbe.
Ujumbe ni wa professionals mukamba, our professionals, our religious leaders, our judges, our teachers, our various experts, the disciplined forces, our various business people, our various people who are doctors, nurses in the medical field, our engineers, our journalists, across the whole spectrum, including our university professors and lecturers, our professionals, including our retired governors and our sitting governors, our senators, our MPs, our members of county assembly, our young men and women of Ukambani who are looking for livelihood, our parents who have suffered and worked hard for us, our retired and even the ones who are serving as civil servants, across the whole spectrum of the people of Ukambani. This is a message for you. What do you want me to do? How better can I serve you? How better can I bring things to Ukambani? How can I consolidate all of us so we can move in the right direction?
Mutua weta mwelekeo la mutongoi wa Wiper waseto wa kuona nyangwataniyo yake uteti nolona ye munino wa president nona vetangi ofisini Rigathi Gachagua wina uniko hona umwe kwa mbaye nugwithwa ni maonena nyama kuelekelia kambanza wa serikali.
Mundu usu na former deputy president yu enza denza wa numba denza wa compound denza ya wiyo kuya waone atekiendo William Ruto ena miaka ingi mitatu kibila nita president icho kutumikuwa na Ruto no kwa na yu Raila Odinga halikile nunde kwa ndandumaki miaka 3 ya serikali ya William Ruto na yeye waone.
Mutua no akathi ya muungamo wa Raila wa kuthukumana na president William Ruto eiweta withu itethesi ati make melembeta Nyanza kwikwatia maendeleo watena kelele mwingi wote tuole nthini wa miaka 3 yukite.
Raila always make sure that endini wa serikali niki nundu ndendete kwikala weuni ndendete andu make maikala baya kibinduni matena kindu nusimea andu make.
Aigathi tambia muyimbo wa kipwesi cha uthilono wasio wakili mwengi mutuze ya kutongo iza kufutangwa kwa Gachagua kuma wisine mutua weta mundini wa kelo wa president nuna vuthite mbai ya mukamba muno na ndena vaito na umwe wona mukamba ni
nitnaisekana ulona deputy president immediately enuke na hero wito Mheshimiwa Mwengi Mutusi wa Kibwezi West, our national hero, our brilliant lawyer, adhibo execute nesa kila tunaisekana mundu enuke niki nuno mundu ni watu buthise tamba ya mukamba kuma Ruto asumbika ndao ko kamba nuno na klasi yuko kamba miradi la uko kwambia ikabetwa ikekwa kundu kongi nundu mundu nuongamie asia eba ya kitwi kana ona kamba tile kuna oivila dinwa serikali nuluti yako na kula no kile asia kana kula sia mukamba sia milioni 1.5 situ bicha bandu
vilengo wa mauvo kuma fahamu sio nilovi Jeneto wa Benjamin Mwaka.